Hello guys, we met with Mohammed. Hello Mohammed, how are
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
you? Okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Perfect. Mohammed is owner of this supermarket.
Yeah.
It's right there. And this is your house, Mohammed?
Yes, it's our house.
It's perfect. It's looking amazing. And we will walk with Mohammed and going to the mosque.
Definitely we want to go. Yeah. We talk
Yeah.
during the
We can walk, yeah.
recording. What do you want to know?
I just wonder about, the historical of these houses. Because it's looking so amazing and ethnic.
Yeah.
This is the Kurdish ethnic houses.
Yes,
Kurdish
yes.
architecture.
What's belonged to thousands of years ago?
How
you
many?
know.
How many years?
Exactly. I don't know exactly, but I've read in history that our village, our city, has about 5,000 history. It's
5,000,
it's very old, and its architecture is right. It's very old and is saved during this time, and is very powerful. You know,
Yes.
and that walls, if you add cement to them,
Yeah.
it would be I don't know, weaker. Some people think it would be more powerful.
Yeah.
But-
Cement and stone.
Yes, cement and stone is not powerful. Stone by its own is more powerful than you adding the stone. Anyway, this tissue, this is the best part of tissue of Hawraman. An old tissue is here.
Yeah.
Right now, if you go down, the house is going to be modern, you know?
Modern,
Yes,
Yeah.
it would be modern. And
Yes, I can some. I can, so.
You
some
can see
houses there,
the modern architecture.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
using, the steel,
Yes.
using the steel and not the stone, maybe like different type of the
Yes.
stone.
But for example, this house is
Yeah.
completely stone.
Completely stone, yeah.
Yes, non-steel is used in it.
Yes.
And you can see the whole value of our tissue in this house. Of course, its windows is still it should be like this.
Yes.
It would be woody, you know.
Time is the how can I say this? People is living here and need to have functional houses.
Yes,
For
of
that
course.
they should use these windows.
We can't completely save it, you know.
Yeah. Yes.
We should change it.
Yeah, you are from here? Yeah.
Yes, originally from here.
How do you learn English?
Going class and by my own.
You're by now.
No, I go to English class, but my own I try to learn more. Right hand.
Hello guys. Hello.
Islam
This is a typical, the dress of the Kurdish. I like it.
And this is our special clothes.
Yeah.
We say kapantul and is our special.
Thank you. Bye.
He's in Harry. Sorry. And
You are in university now, or
what?
you are studying? Are you student now or not?
Yes, I'm student.
Okay, where?
In the high school.
High school.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 18,
Oh,
19.
8 years, so
Between
young.
18 and 19.
That's
And we have English class here.
Yeah.
And most people are learning English because they know that mosquitoes made me crazy. Want to learn more, want to be update, and has a disadvantage for our culture. You know,
Yes.
we're forgetting our culture to learning another culture.
You are right.
It's very harmful.
You are right.
But this is the need of our world. We have to adapt with it. You know?
This house, I told you before, and we have the same houses in my village. in
Your
Turkey.
village?
Yeah, same houses. And when I heard, my old parents before 500 years ago
Yeah.
went to Turkey from here, and I saw some picture of Hawraman, and I said, yes,
Yes, true.
My old parents came from here, and
Yeah.
this is like my special history,
Yeah, yeah.
like
You're right.
my my way
Yeah.
to discover my special history.
Yeah, you're right.
And thank you for coming with me. We will go to mosque now.
Yes, yes. We go to mosque. Come here. About 1,000 years ago, you said our ancestors went from here to Turkey.
Yeah.
About 1,000, almost 1,000 years ago, Iran, the government of Iran. Let's pass this. Come on. Iran overcome some part of the Turkey,
Yes.
and some people from Hawraman, from Iran, went to Turkey, and this is why our languages is near, and
Yes.
is near.
All of is the Kurds, but dialectic is different, Dialectic.
In this village, all of us were Hawrami.
Yeah, Havrami, Sorani.
No, we don't have Sorani, but in Merivan, all of them are Sorani.
Sorani.
All of them, yeah.
And Sanandaj.
Sanandaj are Sorani. Sorani too.
Sorani.
Yes, but their accent is somehow different,
Yes. Okay. Where's the
And
mosque?
where's the mosque?
Yeah.
In 20 meters. Come on.
Your high school is here in Hawraman?
I'll show you. We can see it now.
Far from here?
About 20 minutes by walk.
20 minutes by walk.
Yeah.
Oh, near.
That is the girl high school.
Girl high.
Yes, girl high school.
And boy is different high school here?
Yes, we're different. We're
In
separated.
all of the Iran is different.
All of Iran, yes. Of course, in some villages, because there's no enough teachers and classes,
Yeah.
they have to mix with each other, Yeah.
But the separate.
Yes,
area.
but we're separate completely. Yeah.
But someone is said, the Islamic state, Islamic government,
Yeah.
there is so good rules in Iran.
Yes.
When I go to Tehran and Isfahan, and I saw the peoples and looking like so modern. I don't know why, but yes, they are cover half of the maybe hair,
Yeah.
or maybe someone is don't have a just have a hijab. And,
Yeah.
put their neck, it just stay there and don't cover their hair.
Gradually is spreading this culture,
Yeah.
and it's reached our village too. Our village was a very religious space,
Yes.
but now no, we can say it completely is
I
religious.
can say that easily, in Turkey,
Yeah.
there more than the hijabs women than Iran. I can say that easily.
Is it necessary in Turkey?
Sorry?
Is it a rule,
No,
hijab?
it's not rule, Is it not rule?
But people do it by their own, yeah?
Yeah, by their own, and the little bit maybe the new government, new 25 years is managed to the Turkeys, and little bit, not little bit, is a Islamic government.
Yeah.
Like that ideology, and this is maybe effect to the peoples, but I can say that their own decide.
Yeah, you're right. Come on.
This is mosque.
This is mosque, part of mosque.
What do you feel living in Hawraman?
What?
Because it's amazing for me,
I'm on cloud 9.
Yeah, this is, I think this is so normal for you because you
Yeah.
are living here, but when I think, that every morning, to open your eyes to this view,
Yeah,
feels so
it's
amazing.
very, I don't know, it's a heaven for us. Salam kaha makhas nishkur qurbanat ya akhwa awajib. And this is the mosque. An old mosque belongs to 1,300 years ago. Is overcome by the son of Omar. One of the substitution of Prophet Muhammad.
And there, I think, remade it. This.
Yes, we have repaired it so many times.
It's fixed.
So many times it's fixed. This mosque.
But the same mosque.
Yes, but it's the same mosque. The first place that this mosque is made is right here, but we have repaired it.
Perfect. What she say?
Don't fall it. Don't fall. Yeah, don't fall.
Them.
No.
Okay,
he said,
okay.
be careful,
Be careful.
you're gonna fall.
Yes.
Huh? Where's that paishish?
This is aluminium.
Which one?
This one.
No.
Cover here.
Aluminium.
What is
for ceiling? No.
this?
And I don't know what do you say.
This
that.
is protect from where? From the
Yeah. From
hot
the.
weather?
No. It makes the temperature hotter, but it's for the rain.
For the rain.
Yes,
Okay.
because we have a lot of snow and rain.
The sail under of that. Sail?
What? Sill?
Like
What do you mean by sill?
kum. You know?
What is that?
Sail.
Sill.
Sail. Sail. Yeah.
Spell it.
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
And we want to see the inside,
You can go.
but I don't think so. Is open. You know,
We just look from the.
because of the tourism, they close the main door
Yeah. No problem. We just
after
look
you.
from here.
So yes, it's closed.
So cool.
Cool.
Cold. You know.
It's very hot for me.
It's like so nice.
What? And if you want, you can go there and record the mosque, but the mirror is closed.
Yes.
What's the plan?
What's the plan and walk in Hawraman streets. Here,
Sorry, I didn't ask your name.
Murat.
Murad?
Yeah.
We have Murad too here.
Do you know Murat?
No, we have Murad.
We have Murat.
The name of Murad, yeah.
Yeah. And I think original from it's Arabic language. Murat.
Yeah, it's Arabic.
Yeah. How can I walk? Which
Walk
walk do you recommend
For where?
for walking? For walking to do the historical
It's the main
ways.
way.
From this way
Yeah,
between the houses
yeah.
and down.
But you must be careful to don't mix up because we have a lot of way, small way. You have to be careful.
I have a habit about it.
Yeah.
I
But
like it too.
You continue this. This is the main way.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I will walk. Thank you very much, Mohammed.
You're welcome.
for
It
your
was
coming
nothing.
with me. I think my friend is here. I have a friend.
Yeah, you have. Of
In
course,
here?
you have.
If you come to Istanbul,
And I have one in Turkey.
yeah, if you come to Istanbul, okay, I am there, I'm living there, you can come and stay.
God willing, God willing.
And I will show you the all good places, you know, of Istanbul.
Of course.
Maybe you
God
know
willing, I
some
come.
things about Istanbul.
Yeah.
It's amazing place. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. It was nothing. Thanks for all of you.
I want to come again and we'll meet
of
you
course,
again, but not
of
summer,
course.
you know. It's so hot now.
Yes, but
Not
you
so.
must come in spring.
Spring, yeah.
Of course, it's spring, but it's so hot. We're closing to summer.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. I cannot, you know, think about after 1 or 2 months after, you know, the half of summer.
Yeah.
Because it started just new, you know, the summer and so hot.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.